أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. به وبه يستعين في جميع الأمور. اللهم إني أسألك أن تصلي على محمد النبي الأمي صديقك ورسولك من خيرك من خلقك وعلى آل محمد الطيبين الأخيار ومن محمد وعلى محمد كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed, climate smart, Shahr Shaban al Kareem greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla powered and Saadah Towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAM's AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus towns in all countries of our world. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of SAM's TQLMA Club high technology companies uh, like SAM's Demeco Private Limited of $80 to earn benchmark ROI of 21+% and enroll in 5,300 PGCs, $9,000 Global Executive MBA and Climate Smart Business with Faction to come to Dubai, attend GulFood Expo from February 19th to 23rd, and acquire golden visa and permanent resident status of USA to own home in Dubai, and a 2,000 square yard farmhouse with Isuzu or Tesla truck in our 553 acres site in Dhabeji Wind Corridor, Karachi, and in Dallas, Texas, and Bakersfield, California. So welcome aboard and join SAM's TQLMA Club with $90 and get the free gift, the gift of Shaban al Kareem 2024 of SAM's Tesla 53 PGC's gold coin, which we are manufacturing in global LBMA approved refineries from gold available in New York, with bullion available in Hong Kong and Switzerland, and with Dore gold from Africa. So all gold sellers and traders are welcome to barter their gold. Our equation is pretty simple. You will be bartering 500 kilograms gold with 1,353 grams SAM's Tesla bars, and park those bars in Musk Foundation to enjoy benchmark ROI from SAM's Tesla Gold Food Power and Construction business. So welcome aboard, and let's make 2024 a delightful, peaceful year for 7 million engineers, 2 billion mothers, and 8+ billion residents of our planet. सारे खुश नसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में बैतुल मक़दिस में करबला मुअल्ला में नजफ़ुल अशरफ़ुल मुक़ीम हैं। हमारे खुदा दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें, वो उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द तमाम हो। वो खुश नसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं, वो बाकी लोगों को $9,000 का कर्ज़ हस्ता मुहैया कर दें और 100 शेयर्स ऑफ सैम्स TQLMA हाई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज के मालिक बने और 1000 दिनों के अंदर अपने फार्म हाउस के मालिक बने, डैलस टेक्सास में, कराची में और बेकर्सफील्ड कैलिफोर्निया के अंदर। आपको परमानेंट रेजिडेंट स्टेटस USA का मिल जाएगा और गोल्डन वीज़ा आपको मुहैया कर दिया जाएगा दुबई का, और आप दुबई में भी अपने मकान के मालिक बन सकते हैं 1000 दिनों के अंदर। तो उनका काम सब तक पहुँचाएँ और सबको हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my specialization in chemical engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, got masters in chemical engineering from Motor City of the World, Detroit, Michigan, and PhD in food science from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started a Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as associate professor of industrial engineering and management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted to the Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA, and today SAMS TQLMA Club is being incorporated in all countries of our world by our management company EMCI LLC to get the benchmark incentives from the global governments and delight all businesses who are setting up their business in our SAMS, AMU, Tesla, Gigafactory campus towns, which we are building in all countries of the world. My WhatsApp number is 9233537700052, and I'm also available on Telegram at 333-228-3257. And would like to give with this good news to everyone that we are ready now to transform the Karachi milk supply chain into climate smart value chain by housing all the livestock in our 553-acre SAMS AMU Tesla campus and provide toxin-free feed to the animals and toxin-free food, milk, and all food ingredients to all the partner restaurants in the city. And we would definitely love to 2 billion mothers to cook nutritious, delicious meal in our 724 restaurant. And our healthcare professionals can provide healthcare services in our 724 health centers. Presently in Karachi, we have collaboration with Life Health Center, who will be delighting SAMS Club members with free screening and then benchmark healthcare services at members' price. We are also very, very interested in building our SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town in Brunei and to delight the residents of Malaysia and Indonesia, basically STEM graduates of Malaysia and Indonesia, to build our SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town in Brunei and get the first-hand training from our fellow engineers and Dr. Paul Olivier and Mr. Elon Musk, and then duplicate the model in all the farms and university campuses of Malaysia and Indonesia. So these are all the wonderful news available to us in 2024, and we are ready to really re-engineer Mother Earth by providing SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin gift to 8 billion residents and 353 grams gold bars to all the businesses and economically vibrant individuals at LBMA minus 2%. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.